master tech that others can't teach.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to upload video on YouTube in the best way. Stop to upload. How do you think uploading this way? So let's start. This is Ubalde official. Open your browser through PC or laptop or Android or iOS devices and search studio.youtube.com and then press enter to access your YouTube studio. After to access your YouTube studio, come here right corner in the right corner and then click on create. After click on create, click on upload video. After click on upload video, drag and drop your video files to upload, select, then choose your video. Okay, once you are uploading your video, this is a title. You choose a best title. For example, let me ask ChatGPT to help me choose a best title. Hello, ChatGPT. I'm going to upload video, teach how to upload video on YouTube. So give me best title on that video. See, ChatGPT determine the best recommend the titles. You copy this and then copy and then paste here in the title, and then go to the description and tell ChatGPT give me best description of this title. And also see this is how to upload video. You see the best title, yes, best description, and then select it and upload it and paste here in the description and tell it give me hashtags and also copy and paste. Yes, this is the hashtags. What's the role of hashtags? When someone searching your video related to your video, they see your video in recommendation, and means to increase SEO, search engine optimization. And come on this section of thumbnail, there are 3 ways to choose thumbnail. First is upload, second auto-generated AI, and this is auto-generated AI, and the third is the A/B testing. Where here you upload as 3 thumbnail. You upload this 3 thumbnail and then choose the best, and it will be choose the best thumbnail. It is the image that available on your video, in front of your video. For example, here on Ubalde official, let me show you the example of thumbnail on YouTube. Yeah, thumbnail is the image or cover image on your video that attract viewers to see or to watch your video. Here, this is a thumbnail. For example, type here Ubalde official on the YouTube. You will see the best cover or the best image that attract the people to watch my video. This is the thumbnail. This is the thumbnail that attract viewers to watch your video. And then you click on upload. This is the things you must do. Once you are the beginner creator, they ask you to verify your YouTube. Yes. And then here this is the playlist. If you don't have playlist, you should tell ChatGPT create playlist and you should create best playlist depending on your content. This is the playlist name. Yes, create playlist. Also you should create podcast, and then this is the description. You add here Yes, and then create. After creating, wait a moment. This depend on the how internet is working. Create simply, then click on done. Then after, you choose here, is this video made for kids? Regardless of your location, you are legally required to comply with the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act and or other laws. You are required to tell us whether your video is made for kids, what content made for kids. So here, what you choose this second. No, it's not made for kids, because if you choose this first one, your video will never pay or agree with the ads once you are monetized or you are hit or get monetization requirements. And then click on show more or advanced. Then if your video has been paid promotion, click here, but the recommendation, leave it. And then if your video is the AI or the generated by using AI, you click on yes. Because here they say do any of the following to describe your content. Make sure I make real person appear to say or do something they didn't say or do. Ultra footage of real event or place, generate realistic looking scene that didn't occur actually occur. If you used any tools related to AI, please click on yes. And then, but me, I didn't use AI. I click on no. And then if you want to collaborate person, you should click on collaboration and search this channel you want to collaborate, like Ubalde Rwanda TV as collaboration. I should also Ubalde Rwanda TV. I should click here to collaborate. Okay, and then here leave it here. Add tags. Ask ChatGPT. Give me best keywords separated by comma. Best keywords separated by comma, and then click on copy and paste it here. Then select video language, it is not necessary, and continue. Recording date, choose your when you recorded and edited your video, because this is your own completed content or it is your own work. Me, I recorded on the 20 January 2026. Yes, video location, it is not necessary. And continue. Let's click on next. You should click on here or click on next. So what to add? You click on add tags. Yes, and add cards. This is the video comes when you are playing a video, because no other video here, but you should choose another video from other channel. Yes, choose like this and then click save. This card is available when you are playing some music. Let me play this. Okay, and I'm going to show you the cards. Cards are there. This is a card. This is a card. So, and then click on next to check if there is no copyright occurred. And then if here it is an ticket, you click on next, and then here what you should choose. This is a private, only you can watch your video. Unlisted, anyone who has your video link can watch your video. And then public, everyone can watch your video. Then click on publish, and also click on publish. Yes, click on publish. So standard definition version of your video needs to finish processing. So this is the mistake many people do. Do not publish your video before processing finish. So this is a step-by-step for how to do what, to upload video on YouTube. If this video helped you, please subscribe to Ubalde Official, and let's meet in the next video. If there's any question, suggestion, supportive comment, please subscribe and then write your comment or idea in the comment. Thank you. Bye bye. God bless you.